Hi, in front of me is KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose System. Then Language is an input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next, adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, click Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!